Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to do live streaming, guys. So if you see this, just bear with me, okay? Can anybody see this? Can you hear me okay, Adam? Right on. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Been wanting to do this for a while, and it's starting to work out pretty well. So, just audio sounds good. Good. Thanks, man. Thank you. Thank you. Probably going to stream tomorrow for the first time. Just do the U.S. session. I don't know if you're around then. If you can watch it then, or what you've got going on. Okay. Well, anybody who can hear this, I don't know how many. I wish it would tell me how many people are on the chat. That would be nice. I'm a newbie at this, guys, so just bear with me. Looking at the markets, not much goes on in the European session. Just kind of slow markets. Really, not much really going on. I don't even like to trade these slow markets, to be honest with you. Nothing really moves enough. Gold, we might have had a small trade right here between these two, support and resistance, but just not a lot going on tonight. But tomorrow, we're going to jump on. The volatility has been good for our trading, and we're going to look to continue our streak here. So, yeah. Adam, so true. So true. Blows me away. Made some really good money in Forex, but we did it way different back in the day. This is like Star Trek compared to those days. So, but yeah, it's been doing great. I've been thrilled. It's been fun. It's been doing really good. It just works, man. I just combined what the simple market metrics are and then what I already knew, and then just dialed in my chart to make it what I want, and it's killer. So if anybody wants help getting this same exact chart so they can do the same thing, I'll be glad to help them. So the only thing I'm really looking to sell is just want to be an affiliate for Simple Market Metrics. That's all I really want to do. And to grow my YouTube channel. It'd be fun to have more like-minded people in the chat every day. Adam, so which EMA are you talking about? Are you talking about the white 21 or are you talking about the 200? Gotcha. Okay. So I don't know if you saw today's video. Let's just go over what today looked like, and I can kind of show you what I did. My computer's lagging a little bit since I'm live streaming. Just getting used to this. Okay. Huh. Interesting. I'll log into my Tradevate and see if I can see the lines, and I'll show you what I did. I turned my audio down just a bit. I think it was a little bit loud. Does it sound a little better now, Adam, by the way? Okay, so let's go into here. Yeah. Huh. What I did. Interesting. Okay, I was going to show you what I did today, but it's not showing my executions for some reason. I'm logged in. Yeah. Anyway, I don't remember. I was going to look for the arrows and then I can show you. So this morning when I logged in, the market was, it was somewhere around here, right? 7:30 it started doing this and it just kind of went up and down, and then I got in like right here. I think it was at the bottom of this candle if I remember right. It was when I first got my first signal. It was just right after, like 45 minutes after the market, okay? So this red is the 200 and the white is the 21. And first thing I always do is I look at the 1 hour chart. So this morning would have been, well, this would have been 10, 12 hours ago now. So I think it was right around here somewhere, okay? And we could see it was in a downward trend. And then I went to the 5 minute and we got that first signal. So I placed a sell right there. Then it held, so I held it and it kind of bounced around for like half hour, 45 minutes. And so I think on the video today, if you look at the video today, you can see I was in profit, then it was a little bit in a loss, then it went back profit, a little bit loss. I mean, it was right here. But I knew that as long as it was on this side of the, just from what I was seeing there, I could see a slide was coming. And if you watch the video, I was calling it right here. I was calling it pretty much all morning, that 35, 45 minutes. And then these little dots are where the actual price is. So it was below the 21 and the 200. And then like I said, I'd already looked at the 1 hour, so I knew that was kind of where we were looking for. So I was only looking for sales is kind of how I do it. So when it's like that, you know, it's not, I don't just look at the 200. It's kind of like I look at multiple things. I looked at the red background. I looked at the red candle. I saw this sell signal here. Anytime you get these sells, that usually means something's turning around. So if you're looking for a sell and you get one of these sell signals, I don't actually take that signal, but it's a good indication things are going to start going my way. And then my alerts are based off the RSI right here. So when I got this alert right here, everything lined up here, and within I think it was 30 minutes after we took that trade, or after we held, it was 30 minutes here and another 20-30 minutes there, so about an hour altogether. And then so where these resistance are and the support is right here, that's how I set my take profits. So I put my take profit area there. Yeah, I can turn it up. I thought it was a little bit too loud. So is that a little better now? I'm just looking at I'm just trying to look at the, yeah, sorry. I don't want it to be too loud, so I think I turned it down too far. How about now? Is that a little better? Okay, cool. So, like I said, about a half an hour. This was right after market open, and then once it started to go our way, it was another half hour. I set my alert. I didn't set a take profit or stop loss. I set an alert down on this resistance and this support here. And then on my Tradevate, I have that max profit for the day. And so it's either going to hit when the alert triggers, then I would stop the trade, unless Tradevate stops it before because we hit where we need to. So it's a little bit different. I mean, I don't really like to do stop losses, to be honest with you. I kind of let the chart tell me when to do a stop loss. I don't really like the broker to see where I'm putting my stop loss and my take profits. This kind of stuff right here, they're just searching for stop losses. So, and it would suck if you put a stop loss. So like before this candle, you'd have put your stop loss clear up here. Or if you entered here, you'd put it like right here, and you might hit it right here, right? You know what I mean? So I don't know. It takes a little bit of getting used to. It's a little bit more. That might sound kind of scary to do it that way, especially if you've never done it that way. It might feel more comfortable to just have a static stop loss and take profit. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, the video today, I pretty much spelled it out and showed how this worked out. And NQ was pretty much the same story. Once we started to slide, we slid really well. I think I actually took profit. I think it was like this big spike here. I mean, it went really fast. Within 15-20 minutes, we were done once it started moving. So, and then I just turned it off. I don't look at it the rest of the day because I don't want to be tempted to enter here and then have it go back against me, or I don't want to go backwards. And once I don't know if you have Tradevate, or if you're just doing it on a trading view. So I set it right here. Once this hits, I can't even place a trade until the next session. So it'll be tomorrow before I can even place a trade. But that's good. That's a good thing. That shows that you're consistent, right? So yeah, the stats have been great. I'm not gonna lie. I've been really, I've been playing with this system for probably 6 months. I started doing really good with it like in November. Decided to go live on my channel with it in December, and here it is March, and we're starting to kick some serious butt. It's been fun. How have you been doing? What are you trading? How you been doing? That's kind of why I want to do live streams, so I can kind of talk with some other people that are doing the same thing and see how they're doing. You're right. Absolutely right. That's why I bumped up my numbers a little bit, because every day I noticed that pretty quick that I was getting different results with the same stop loss. And it's just because of slippage. When things move like this, slippage gets bigger. And especially lately, the markets have been nuts. We've been losing everything going on in the economy has been crazy. Absolutely right. The slippage has been nuts. So, but yeah, stats have been killer. We've been doing really good. So, well, I'm going to end stream. I just wanted to make sure I got this set up right and it's working. So, are you going to join tomorrow? Will you be up and at 'em? You be around? Adam, I don't know if you do. So have you been placing your trades on Tradevate? I know a guy that just uses. He doesn't place the trades on here. He just uses this for simple market metrics since it doesn't work on Tradevate. That's maybe something you can do, and then just place your trades here. You could just do buy and sell here. You could do, if you're not copy trading, you can use the brackets, right? Can't wait to watch this when it's done and see what it looks like and see what it sounds like. That'll help me. Once I get it set, I'll just repeat the same thing every day. I've got a camera. I just need to figure out how to set it up. I haven't used OBS very much, so. Nice. Nice. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end stream. I'll be ready for tomorrow, so we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Sound good, Adam?